Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fronk token. Now the Fronk token just got listed on CoinGecko today. Name of the token is Fronk, ticker symbol is also Fronk. We're going to go over this token and their info and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Fronk. So like I said, that's the name and the ticker symbol, F-R-O-N-K. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko. It was up earlier 30% when I was looking at it. Now it's down 1.7%. It's kind of all over the place today. You can find the price, chart, and contract address available on CoinGecko now, as well as their Soul Scan, their webpage, which is fronk.xyz, and their Twitter, which is at @Fronk_Inu. So besides that, on CoinGecko here, it has different places where you can get this token. I saw one more place where you can get this token as well on their webpage. But yeah, so this is a Solana token. So basically for Solana tokens, if you're going to get them off a decentralized exchange, which is, looks like that's the only place right now where this token is listed on, it's on 3 different decentralized exchanges. One of them is Raydium, one of them is Orca, and the other one is Jupiter. So those are 3 different Solana dexes. So basically you would need some sort of decentralized wallet, like a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Coin98 wallet is what I use for my Solana tokens. If you don't have a wallet, Coin98 is a cool wallet. I do have a referral code in the description box to open a Coin98 wallet. There's all sorts of different chains on there. One of them, Solana, you could store NFTs on there. You can also store all sorts of different tokens like Ethereum tokens, Binance Smart Chain tokens, Solana tokens like this one, things like that. And yeah, so basically you would just go fund your Coin98 wallet or whatever wallet you use with Solana. Go into the dApps. You would find, let's say, Raydium as an example, or Orca or Jupiter in the dApps. And then you would use the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their official webpage, Fronk.xyz, or their Soul Scan, which is listed on CoinGecko. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And then you would just trade your Solana for the Fronk token using that contract address. And you may have to set slippage if there is taxes, if that's in the tokenomics. We'll try to see if they talk about that, if there is taxes on this token or not. But that's basically how you would get the token. It's super easy. Now, on Raydium, it is paired with Solana, but it is also paired with USDC on here. On Orca, it is paired with Solana and USDC. Now, when we're talking USDC, I believe they're talking about Solana USDC. Now, also, it is on Jupiter, according to their webpage, which is another DEX, and I would assume that it's paired with USDC on Jupiter. If you want to find a chart besides the CoinGecko chart, I mean, the CoinGecko chart is great. You could use that, but they also have a bird eye chart, which is where they have Solana tokens specifically on bird eye. So there's a link to that on their webpage, fronk.xyz. Now this is very much a meme token. There is not a lot of info on this token besides meme stuff. Now they're very active on their Twitter. A lot of Twitter followers. So they have They have 214 tweets, and they just joined in January 2023, and it is January 9th, so which means their Twitter is under 9 days old, and they already have 46,100 Twitter followers. So they're very well established on Twitter for a brand new project here that just came out, and insanely active. Under 9 days, they have 214 tweets. On their Twitter, which is at Fronk_Inu, which seems to be one of their only socials, by the way, as well. It says, Fronk is a Solana meme coin fighting against injustice. There is no need to be unfair. And then they have the token address. And so they have a pinned tweet here. They show their Sol farm and their USDC farm on Raydium. So there is farming available. The top two farms on the Raydium protocol are both Fronk farms, they say. And so that was tweeted 21 hours ago, and that is their pinned tweet. And just reminding you to turn notifications on, all that type of stuff. Yeah, lots of tweets on here. But they have way more info on their Twitter than they do on their actual webpage. So if we go over to their webpage, it says, what is Fronk? It says, Fronk was birthed from an injustice. There is no place in our world for unfairness, and there is no need for anyone to feel left out. We love BONK. Now, BONK was a very popular Solana meme token that just came out. It got listed on MEXC Global, on Hotbit, on a whole bunch of different central exchanges. It did very well. Probably the best performing Solana meme coin as of this year, I would say. So it says, we love BONK, but feel there was biased in how the tokenomics were assigned. This is why 45% of the Fronk supply is going to the people who did not get BONK. D-Gods, Utes, OK Bears, and Sets on Crack, whatever that is, those holders. These people have contributed to the growth of Solana in the same way others who received BONK have. There is no place for injustice on Solana. Now, I don't own any of these tokens at all, so I will be receiving no BONK and no Fronk. It's funny how they rhyme too as well. I like that. Now, Fronk is obviously the frog here. That is the name of this frog meme. So it says, at Fronk_Inu is our only official Twitter account, so beware of scams. And yeah, on their webpage, they don't have many links either. They have links to their Twitter and then Raydium, Orca, and just Bird Eye, whatever, all those things on there. So manifesto, it says Fronk was birthed from injustice, yada, 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 45%. They just repeat themselves for some reason. They have token allocation on here. It says 20% of the tokens go to the Fronk DAO, so there's going to be voting rights. They're going to have NFTs, so it says 45% of the tokens go to NFT collections. Then it says 20% go to early community, 5% DEX liquidity, 5% marketing, and 5% team tokens. So basically that's how it's split up. And that's about it. If you want to find more info, you can go over all their tweets, 214 tweets, but they don't seem to have, a lot of stuff yet, like KYC, audit, all that stuff. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about investing. And they just announced that they're going to be on Bitrue. So if you want to get this token here, it says January 9th, which is today. It is getting listed on Bitrue. So Bitrue you could download from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. It says deposits open now. New listing Fronk on Bitrue. It's paired with USDT. You can also get Bitrue on your PC as well. So central exchange listing already. So that's cool. Check it out, Fronk. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Fronk? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.